One of the challenges of the online class is there are so many shared Google links, and sometimes you might get lost or miss your classes because it's not organized. So for this video, I'm going to share to you a simple yet very effective way to organize your online class. I'm helping teacher, students, and parents to smoothen up their schedule of online class. So, the prerequisite, or we need a Google account so that we can create an invitation and have this in our calendars. So in your Google account, after logging in, this is the home page. So on the home page, on the upper right corner, click the Google Apps and click this one. This is the calendar. So creating a calendar makes the class more effective, and it will also have a reminder and a notification if the classes is about to start. So what you need to do is click in this Google Apps, click the calendar. So in the calendar, you will see the dates. In here on the left side, you can see the months. So if I'm going to create a class on October 21 at 8 a.m., so you just need to click here and demo class. And you just need to click more options, then fill it up. So on October 21, I want to have a class from 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. So that's a 2-hour class. And then you will find add a Google, that's the time. So if you want to repeat, you can use it daily for your daily class. And then after that, you just need to put a notification. So before the class, before 30 minutes before the class, every guest will be notified. Okay? So for example, this one, so for the guest, you will put your students, like the students. So even though this is not a Google, then students. So I'm exampling here. This is my Google account and this is my non-Google account. So in there, you may put as many students and valid. So this it comes where the account of the Google requirements. So also you can modify the event guest permission. So you need to disable the modify event, and if your guest will be exclusive, then uncheck this and see the guest list. And I would recommend to uncheck this if your guest is not a official enroll, to have a data privacy. So in here, you just need to put the color and the default visibility, then just demo class 8 to 10 a.m. And every guest that will be put here will have a email address notification, and it will also, if they are Google accounts, then it will appear on their calendar. So let's try to put some calendar. So yeah, this group call is limited to 1 hour. That's why they premium. But I already put 3 of my accounts there. So just click save. Check the time, check the date, then save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Yes, send. And then the class will be now enrolled. So if you want to modify, you can click the edit event and then daily. So you can save it, send again, and now it is daily. Then you need to just click this. If you want to join the class, the other participants will be notified and it will appear in their calendar. So you just need to click this and join Google Meet. And if you are the teacher, then everybody can join. See, that's how easy it is to create and organize a class on your Google Meet using the Google Calendar. So going back, so that's the power of the Google Calendar. So I hope you find this video helpful on your online class, especially nowadays that the earthquake and the aftershocks are still coming. Okay? So see you around, guys, and comment if you have any questions and suggestions in regards to calendar. By the way, you can schedule different classes for different. So if you wanna schedule, just click more options, then demo class 2, then the classes will be 11 to 12, tapos daily, then demo 2. Then another set of guest list using their Google accounts, then save, then it will appear. So I recommend you put the title of your subject and the time to easily track your classes. Alright, see you around and thank you.